like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis back again with another reaction video. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to react on this new Khasi song called BADNO with a question mark, and this music video is from an upcoming film, Khasi film called KADAW. Oh wow, that would be amazing. I would really love to watch the movie. And yeah, without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what this music video has for us on the table. And yeah, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. Also, do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, and my Instagram username is this one. Do follow. So let's just jump straight into the music video. Let's get it. Let's enjoy the ride. Kiki Garod. So we don't have English subtitle. Oh, awesome cinematography. The location. Wow, like I have to stop it here. You see the beauty, the scenic beauty, the blue skies, those, you know, mountains, the trees, and these stones. Everything looks so, you know, splendid, so perfect, so legit. Wow, beauty. Handsome boy also is here. Oh, okay. We have the English subtitle here. So the beauty reflection of these flowers. Okay. Wow. Hey. Sorry to pause it again and again, but like, is this in Meghalaya? Is these locations? I mean, the location is in Meghalaya. If it's so, do let me know, man. Amazing. Hey. Wow. Drone shot. Oh. Tea garden. Hey. Wow. By the way, this couple looks so good together. And you know, the cinematography, the drone shots, and also those flowers and all those trees. Oh my goodness, how great thou art. It was amazing. Like, it is amazing. Yeah, awesome. Wow. Yellow, dirty fellow. Oh, my goodness. Hey. So this song is kind of like soft romantic song. I'm getting that romantic vibes in it. I'm loving it, like, for real. The voice is amazing. Hey, I thirst for your love. Oh.
Hấp
scenery, oh my goodness, like this waterfall, and also their pose, you see, oh, what a romantic, moments, amazing. I also want to visit this place, like for real. This is really awesome, OP. Oh, so fresh, the water. Wow. Wow, beautiful. Oh, amazing voice. Hey. Oh, her voice is so angelic, like it's piercing in through my heart, really. That melody, oh my goodness, and also the costume, amazing. The location, the setup. This is indeed, a high budget music video, and of course, I believe the movie is gonna be amazing, and I'm very much, excited for the movie. I will definitely watch the movie for real. Wow, she's beautiful. Wow, that was indeed amazing. Like awesome. Kiki Garod Studio, you guys have done an amazing job for real. Shout out to the whole team. Shout out to those who have work in this project. You guys have done an amazing job. And I'm like I have said earlier also, I'm eagerly waiting for the movie. I want to really watch, and the locations, the scenery. Oh my goodness, that was really amazing. I've never been to Meghalaya, but if it's all the locations were in Meghalaya, I really want to visit Meghalaya, like for sure, and I have a plan to visit Meghalaya actually. So yeah, and yeah, thank you to each and every one of you, Kublai Shibun, for coming and watching this reaction. You guys are amazing, and yeah, shout out to my brothers and sisters out there in Meghalaya, especially my Khasi brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Hey, Northeast for life, here we go. Thank